What is going on, everybody? And I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Today we are having a ugly sweater slash Christmas party-ish tonight. It's early. We're getting some stuff done. We have a mess to clean up still. We still got crapola everywhere. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. And Pam's in here trying to get some hors d'oeuvres ready, I guess. These are jalapeno poppers. So Kristen, when you watch this is because of you. So we'll enjoy them tonight. So like I said, we have a bunch of stuff going on. So hopefully if you're invited, you show up and have a good time. And if not, join the video and we'll catch you a little later. Maybe we'll go live in the middle and have some fun. So we'll talk to you a little bit later. All right, peace. Alright guys, well while she's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and take Electra to go get some gas, because she needs some gas, and it's supposed to be some crazy weather here in a couple days, so I'm not going to have her out, so I'll just have her filled up sitting here in the garage. And hopefully I could get out, because she decides to park it almost halfway through the driveway. So then Brandon's right there. I would go show you what he's doing, but unless you're interested in watching somebody sit in their shorts and play video games all day, you're not really going to be interested. So we'll talk to you in a little bit. I'll get this mounted on the car, and maybe you'll do some pools or whatever. Who knows? You know me. Never know. Peace. So guys, like I said, I'm just doing, I guess, the narration part of it today. I'm not going to have myself in it, but like I said, we're having a Christmas party today, and well, like I said, ugly sweater party slash Christmas party. So that should be interesting and fun tonight. Like I said, it should have I guess a pretty good turnout. The usual suspects will be there. Teddy and Kristen won't be because they will be out of town doing other things. So good luck to them on their ventures. But like I said, we are, like I said, doing that tonight. And then there's supposed to be Cars and Coffee tomorrow. I'm gonna go, but I don't know if I'm going to go early, because it's cold and your boy is old, and you know, don't handle this weather like I used to. But can I overroll? Woo! This car is freaking nuts. Anyway, yeah, definitely got to put a tire in this car again, because it just breaks loose like crazy. But yeah, so like I said, it should be a good time tonight. And like I said, wish y'all were there, but that's why I'm bringing y'all along with me today. And then like I said, on this little quick drive to the gas station and a little discussion. And like I said, if y'all ever again, like I said, I'm changing the format of the my videos, see if I can get at least a little more traffic, because I either suck at what I do, you know, like I said, I do it for fun, if anything, but like I said, I either suck at it, or the algorithms of YouTube say I'm just not worth looking at. I don't bring in 10,000 subscribers a day, so you know, there's no point in dealing with me. So I don't know, but like I said, I have fun messing around with it. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll probably shut up here now and do a couple pulls again, and then get to the gas station and head back home. Like I said, we'll get this video, we'll continue it through the day, because like I said, right now it's early. Sounds good. I'm trying to get y'all to listen to the whine. I don't know if y'all can hear it too well, but it whines now. It loves the cold weather. See if I can do a pull with the window down. Let's see here. bad. I hit the red limiter and didn't even know it. The new gears just drive me a little nuts because I haven't gotten used to them yet, and they're a lot longer. So, like I said, that was a second gear, 80-some mile-an-hour pull, and it felt like I was going 12 miles an hour. So, but yeah, like I said, we'll be hitting the gas station here in a second. So, I'll catch y'all when we're done. Alright guys, I am here waiting at the gas station. I do put Costco and Shell in my car. Costco because it's cheap, but it's still top tier gas. But the only problem with Costco is everybody and their mother is out here today. You would think it is a Saturday or something, but it isn't. People actually working, and it's still 4 o'clock. But yeah, it is nuts. But yeah, that's all. And I guess I'll wait here and get some gas and head on back to the homestead. So see you there. I don't know about y'all, but yeah, I just feel like driving is a cure-all. All the problems that you have during the day or whatever, just get behind the wheel and just drive. No particular place to go. I mean, obviously I had somewhere to go today, but you know, nothing like being part of you and your car and your sound, and just to get away sometimes out of life's hustle and bustle, work-related issues, family, drama, bills. Kind of nice to just get away. And I know y'all probably can't see it, but they've cured the roads for the storm that's gonna come up through this weekend. So, like I said, I'm just getting gas, parking my car, and it's gonna sit for the weekend after. I guess it's supposed to come in Saturday night. So, well, we'll play it by ear. Like I said, tomorrow is Cars and Coffee, which my wife doesn't ever let me miss any of them, so we'll be there. And I know this video has been kind of random, but like I said, it's going to be more until I can figure out the format I want to do. It's going to be kind of like this right now, unless I have a special occasion that I'm specifically doing. I definitely need to grease the fittings of my suspension. It squeaks so bad. It's like bad springs on a bed. It's like but like I said, it's just they need to be greased because I got polyurethane bushings now versus the regular rubber ones, and the grease dries up in them and you need to grease them up. If not, they make noise. I've been meaning to do it for a while, but it's just not at that point yet. But anywho, we're heading back to the house, so we'll catch you there. If not, we'll start it once people start showing up for the party. See you in a bit. Later. What is going on, everybody? We are now back, and we are getting the ugly sweater, t-shirt, whatever party started. A few people have showed up. We have Zach, Ben, other Ben,
he's like, okay, don't worry about
Scooter,
it, I'll take care of it right now.
Tommy, Pamela. Yep, so we got everybody here just eating right now, more to come. But yeah, that's right, y'all were talking about something, sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't catch none of that.
Edit.
So. No, I don't edit anything. So anyway, we're be back?
No.
You on there now?
The company.
too, right?
The company.
Charlottesville.
The
Oh, you count that?
That's one of our Asbury dealerships. It's closed.
Really? Asbury in general has like a couple hundred dealerships.
My dick in a box.
It's way better to work for somebody.
This is where the hoodlums hang out at. Ooh, look at that. Yeah.
What is that noise?
It's like a baby got smacked by the door. I don't know. Oh.
We need 7. She doesn't know. No, I didn't. All I know is that you have cubs.
One club. 0 cats. No.
All right, everybody. I don't know. Now we're in the dark. We have started. I'll give you a little bit of a view. See who's here.
It's so like fucking mad for work.
All right, let's join the party. All right, guys, that is the end of tonight's video. Got you a little bit what was going on. This is the leftover crew right here.
Howdy.
So I'll be kicking them out in a minute. So we will catch you on the next video. You know what to do. Later.